Bonjour à tous, dans cette nouvelle vidéo, nous allons étudier de nouveaux phrasal verbs. Vous savez, les verbes à particules, les verbes à côté desquels on va ajouter une préposition pour en changer le sens. Aujourd'hui, nous allons voir les verbes composés à partir de la base to look, qui veut dire regarder.
Hi everyone, so the first one we're going to look at today with the verb to look is to look up. Now this can mean a few things. Firstly, and most simply, to look up means regarder vers le haut. Okay? Secondly, it can also mean to look up something in a dictionary. I'll give you an example. I don't know what phrasal verbs are. I know. I will look it up in my dictionary. Aha. Now, be careful because we can also add a second preposition to give to look up to. Now, this is more complicated but means to admire. I look up to Travis Rice. Why? Because he's the best snowboarder in the world.
Donc pour résumer, to look up, ça peut vouloir dire regarder vers le haut, ou alors regarder la définition d'un mot dans un dictionnaire, ou si on rajoute encore la deuxième préposition to look up to, ça veut dire admirer.
Next up, we have to look after. Now, to look after means surveiller. For example, today I am looking after the children. Next, we have the word to look at. Now, this simply translates in French as regarder. So, to look at, if you want to say regarder, you always need to use the word at, to look at. For example, I'm looking at the stars. Just one thing. We never say I'm looking at the telly or I'm looking at a film. We say I am watching. I am watching the telly. Next, we have to look down. To look down simply means to look down. Regarder vers le bas. However, if we add the second preposition, to look down on somebody, for example, means mépriser. I look down on John.
On comprend ici que look down, c'est l'opposé de look up, c'est-à-dire regarder vers le bas, et que look down on, c'est l'opposé de look up to. Look up to, on avait vu que c'était admirer, et look down on, ça veut dire mépriser, regarder de haut en fait.
And the last example we're going to have a look at today is to look round or look around. So literally it can mean to look autour de soi, regarder autour de soi, look around. Or you can use it also to say, for example, I look around the shop. I look around the shop, which in French means inspecter ou visiter. And there you go. As I said before, this is not an exhaustive list. There are many more examples, but these are the most common. See you next time, guys. Bye.